Right now on the ABC 10 News at 5, a winter blast blowing through the region, leaving heavy rain, dangerous flooding, and damage.
I'm very surprised. It happened in the storm, and I've been very curious of what happened.
Tracking severe weather for today as well as heavy rain, and a repeat for tomorrow. What's ahead in the next 24 hours?
And we're in the Sierra as we close out a busy holiday weekend. How people are dealing with snowy and slippery conditions.
We're not okay. We're trying to be, but we're not okay.
A family speaking out and looking for answers after their loved one is shot and killed in a neighborhood shopping center. The ABC 10 News at 5 starts right now.
We'll talk about a busy Monday. We're tracking dangerous conditions tonight after back-to-back storms. Good evening, I'm Chris Thomas.
I'm Laura Painter. Thank you for joining us. First at 5, we are on the storm watch again. Right now, severe weather is ripping through the state, flooded streets posing a danger for drivers.
And coming down the hill has not been easy as people come back from a long holiday weekend in the Sierra. Chief Meteorologist Monica Woods leads off our team coverage with a look at conditions right now, including a tornado warning that expired last 30 minutes or so, Monica?
Right, yeah, well, that's what we were tracking earlier today. As you can see, the radar still all lit up. In fact, we still have areas of some active weather, particularly lightning, that we're going to be tracking, and those heavy downpours. A little closer inspection here as we zoom into downtown Sacramento, just off to the west and east, where we have this line of storms that has been continuing to show some pretty good movement here throughout the eastern side of the valley and producing some heavy rainfall at times. Now moving out of Folsom into El Dorado Hills, right in that 80-50 corridor. As we take a little bit bigger perspective here, you can see areas around Auburn also impacted by that. Lightning right up along I-80 in through Blue Canyon, where right now it is rain. We have that special weather statement in effect until 5:15. Hail, about a quarter-size wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, not to mention those heavy downpours. Earlier, Chris mentioned that tornado warning. That was up towards Butte and Plumas County. It has since expired. Still looking at periods of some heavy rain and some gusty winds along with the snow. Now, folks, we are right back at it for tomorrow. In fact, we are going to continue to see that severe weather outlook for tomorrow. In the Category 1, possibility of a tornado about 2%, and then hail also in that 5% range. That'll be for Tuesday. Now, our flood watch also in effect through, it looks like Wednesday morning. So we still have areas that are going to be impacted by the heavy rain, not to mention the snow that is continuing to pile up for the Sierra with our winter storm warning in effect until Wednesday morning as well. Again, this storm system lingers in through the middle of our week. Wind advisory in place until 4 a.m. We still have those wind gusts at about 30 miles per hour. It's breezy, poor visibility, as well as the rain and snow continuing to come down. Sustained winds at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And again, just want to highlight, back at it for tomorrow with a Category 1 marginal risk of that severe weather tomorrow. We'll have more on that coming up.
A lot to track. We'll check back in shortly, Monica. Thank you. Okay, ABC 10's Alicia Machado continues our live team coverage tonight in Sacramento County with a closer look at the flooding. And Alicia, I know rescue teams have been busy today. Tell us exactly where you are and what you're seeing.
Well, yeah, Chris, we're in the Slough House area right now where a huge downpour just came through this area. Lots of rain, and these strong winds are still relentless. Thankfully, the rain just shifting on through and continuing by, but about 5 miles from where we're standing here now over on Kiefer Road, 2 people were stuck on top of their car this morning after driving through flooded waters. They actually needed to be rescued from their car by Sac Metro fire crews. Take a look.